First, using 3 to 6 mil plastic, measure and cut the plastic sheeting, leaving extra material on the top, bottom, and sides. Next, attach the plastic to the top of the spring-loaded pole by sandwiching the plastic between the head and the non-skid plate and locking it into place. Raise the first spring-loaded pole to the ceiling using the twist locking mechanism. Place a new pole every 10 feet or every 8 feet if you'll be using any negative or positive air pressure. Pull the plastic tight at the top between each pole. The poles are very easy to set up and reposition. Lift up the bottom of each pole and tuck the plastic underneath. And don't forget to use the grip discs. They provide extra grip at the bottom of the poles. Fully compress the spring at the top of each pole. This will prevent the poles from moving even if there's negative or positive air pressure or if someone bumps into them. To create a heavy-duty zipper entry, unroll the first zipper flap, line up the bottom, peel away the paper backing, and press apply the zipper to the plastic sheeting, starting at the top and working your way down. Install the second zipper roughly doorway width apart. Using our specially designed zipper knife, cut the plastic sheeting and remove the ribbons. Install the flap hooks by poking the sharp tips through the plastic sheeting. Now you can roll the door flap up and hang it in place to allow for easy access when moving tools, equipment, or materials in or out of the job site. When you're ready to get back to work, simply drop the flap down and zip it closed. To create a self-closing entry, use the ZipWall Magnetic door. Feed the header bar through the pocket at the top of the door panel, snap the header bar into the poles, tuck the bottom of the panel under both poles, cut a slit in the plastic. Using the 6 magnetic strips, seal the door panel to the plastic sheeting. The 2 shorter segments are for the top, and the 4 longer segments are for the sides. Coming in from the back, cut the excess plastic away by tracing the magnetic strips with your knife. Place a ZipWall mat in front of the entryway, and your ZipWall barrier is now complete.